Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to learn how you can connect more than one display with the same PC. As you can see, I have two monitors over here, and if you see, I have a different display over here. I can open another display, and I can use the external. You can connect as many displays you want. You can connect more than one. You can connect as many you want. I have a couple options over here. We have a MacBook Pro laptop. I have a ThinkPad PC, and I have the regular HP desktop PC. Regular, we have mostly people using this one. I think it's going away now because this little guy took his spot. It's like easy to carry and small in size. The hardware will be only different. You can choose whatever the hardware you want to choose to connect. I'm talking about a hardware like a cable, the display cable, and otherwise setting in the process will be same to connect any PC you want to connect with the external display. So I'm gonna bring the camera closer behind the ports or options we have available on those computers, and you can choose either one to connect, and I will show what I have chosen. So let's start with it. I'm gonna bring my camera closer and we're gonna go through the setup. First, let's go look to the MacBook. Okay, now first thing we're gonna go to the MacBook. As you can see, we have a MacBook display over here. For external options, we have only this side. We have a USB, we have a mini HDMI, and that's the only two options we have. What you can do, if you want to connect only one display with this PC, you can buy adapter or cable like that. You're gonna have a mini HDMI cable this side, and you can have a couple options this side. You have like a DP display, you have a 15-pin VGA display, and you have a HDMI. If you can see back, I missed the camera. It's mini HDMI 2. We have three options on this adapter. HDMI, there's a 15-pin display, and it's called DP display port. So you can use this one. Then let's go to the regular desktop. If you see this one and behind, and mine, we have only one option here. I can count like a 15-pin, this one too, this display port. I don't have any other option. Another I have a USB. So what I can do, I can connect one with this one. If I want to connect with the same serial port, like my monitor have not other port, then what I have to do, I have to connect another display card over here, or I can buy a USB display hub, and it will convert from USB to other display. So on this one I have this option, and now we're gonna move to another one. I have options over here. It's called ThinkPad. It have a behind. This one actually I'm using right now. It have a two option. I don't need to buy any other extra hub or anything. So I have a regular serial port kind of things, VGA port, and it also have like a DP. And good thing is also have a HDMI. If I have a HDMI on my display, new one I'm gonna buy, then I will be able to use this one. Like basically this one have three options, like a regular VGA, HDMI, and DP. So we're gonna connect this one with the two displays. So let's walk through how I connect with this one. So first thing, I have this display I have connected with this port. So regular port, this screen, and I'm gonna move away my laptop. So if I have a second display, first we have to look at what options I have on the second display. So if I look behind it, then I have only two options. I have a regular, and I have a 15-pin, it's called DSUB port, and I have a two option. And on my PC I have a DP and DSUB. Then I bought this cable, This cable I'm gonna leave it in a picture. I'm gonna show a picture over here too. You can see one side is look like HDMI, but it's not HDMI. I have only one corner, and this one a 15 pin. I'm gonna connect 15 pin this side of the PC, then other will be to my ThinkPad, and the power, obviously you have to connect the power to turn power on. Let me connect first, then we're gonna go to the setup. Now I'm gonna connect another port on the back side of my PC. It's connected and it's powered. As soon as you can see there's two display pop up already. Now my both displays are connected and ready to use. I'm gonna go through some settings, and I'm gonna show you how you can set up, how you wanna look like, or how you wanna display your monitors. Here, one over here. So okay, let's go through the setting. First we're gonna click on the setting. I'm also recording my screen so I can have a on sidebar. You can see what actually I'm doing on the side of my video. So you go to settings, and actually you can bring this one over here. Right now all confused, I'm not sure where to go, but basically we have to set up. We're gonna go here. It's called System, Display and Sound. Click on it. Over here it shows a 1 and a 2. We have a 2 display. So how we can identify? If we click on Identify over here, then it's gonna tell you this one number 1 and this one number 2. So actually it shows number 1 and a 2. Can bring it either way. You can bring it this side or that side. So now let's go through the more settings over here. That's the multiple display options. You can extend these displays. You can turn off one. You can duplicate these displays. If I duplicate, you're gonna see both look like same. There's only whatever I'm gonna do over here, you can do over there. I'm not sure if you wanna do that one or not, but I'm gonna leave it like that. You can also connect to a wireless display. I think that's only the important thing you need to do. How you wanna look like your display is like landscaping in my, and extend your display. You can do the duplicate, you can do the spare. So for this one, I'm like say I'm opening my web browser over here. Like say I have my one window is open over here. I can open next one. I can drag over there. I can open another window over here. And like say if I have some process going over there, then I can do something on this side. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.